At Mr. Chain, we solve problems for our customers. When one of our customers needed a visual barrier between aisles in their large distribution center, we listened. Within a few months, we designed and patented a new product, built the tooling, and manufactured the magnet ring carabiner kit. This is a quick, economical, and simple way to mark off aisles in a retail store, warehouse, or distribution center. When used with our heavy-duty 2-inch chain, it can also be used as a loading dock kit on docks where OSHA requires only a visual barrier.
Installation only takes seconds. Simply put the carabiner on the magnet ring, put the chain on the carabiner, and stick it to any metal surface, creating a visual barrier that meets OSHA standards.
Since introduced in 2015, the magnet rings and carabiners have been a big hit for Mr. Chain's customers, and they keep finding new ways to use them.
Proudly made in the USA by me,
and me.